Hello, this is Mosh Bari. Welcome to this video. From this video, you will learn how you can make money watching videos. And you can make $5 for watching videos, $10 for watching videos, and even more. But I will start with something that people are already showing you, other YouTubers are already showing you. And you might have already watched this kind of methods in other videos on YouTube. Why I say in other videos? Because I figured most big YouTubers follow each other's system. So it's basically the same system being shown over and over again. So because we run a 7-figure per year software company and we run all our operations online, we do a lot of research and we have clear idea what works and what not. So when we see these videos, we can point out which system will work, which won't, what you should do and what you should not. Some of the methods are really shady and you should never follow those systems because eventually your accounts will get shut down and you will lose all your effort, if not money. Some of the companies are so big, they can actually track you down and take legal actions against you. So be careful. Alright, stick to the end of the video to get all the information because not only it comes with a real and easy way and long-term way to make money online, but also it will come with my premium softwares 100% free for my YouTube viewers, so you can actually make money, the real money, the easy way, just like us. Before we begin, please support us by liking our videos, subscribing to our channel and switching on the notification bell button, as this way you inspire us to make more videos like this. This will help you learn how to make money online the easy and the correct way. And YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next video. Hit the share button, share this video with your friends and family, as this way they will also learn the right way and the easy way to make money online and you will all get benefited. So let us begin. So I will refer to this video. I'm not calling out the video creator. This video shows a simple way that mostly work, but this is not a long-term solution. So you may make money at the beginning. Also, your accounts may get banned in the system, but this is definitely a long-term income system or a model to follow. So the process is, step number 1, you go to YouTube. If you don't already have a YouTube account, create a YouTube account, it's 100% free. And then go to the gaming section. The gaming section looks like this. And you will see people are watching live videos. All these videos are other people gaming right now or streaming their videos. Either they are live or they're recorded, but they are streams. So as I can see, the Pokemon Legends Arceus or Arceus, I don't know. This one has the most watchers live, 38,000 watching worldwide. So when I clicked on this video, I basically found this video that 4,283 people watching live right now. So what do we understand from this? All these people you see here are watching live. So suddenly the number changed, only 7 watching right now. Again, the number changed, 4,200. So basically a lot of people are watching right now. So it's a popular game. Now we're going to copy the video URL. More video games we copy, more money we make. This is what this video is telling you, which is true and not true. Don't worry, in this video you will learn how to make real money online. Stay tuned, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button and continue watching. Now, how do you make money from this video? Because you see a lot of people are watching. Yes, a lot of people are interested in watching this kind of videos. I mean, other people playing videos, some people are like audience like us and they will watch, oh, okay, oh, so nice. Yeah, it's a nice video going on. Yay, yay, yay. All right, now go to 7r6.com. This is the URL shortener. Why do they support us or the users with URL shortening? Because they have a way to make money. Not only they allow you to shorten your URL, but also they pay you if you shorten your URLs and you send traffic to them. So basically you get paid at this rate. For each 1,000 views or 1,000 clicks on your shrunk or shortened links, you will get $3 from Canada, UK, US and Australia and $2 per 1,000 clicks from worldwide, other countries. So for an example, 4,000 people watching right now. If we imagine that somehow you put your link here somewhere and 4,000 people clicked your link, you will get paid 4 times 2, minimum $8 just for sharing the link. But it's not gonna work this way. You copy your video URL and then you create your account using the sign up button. All right, put your username, email, password, re-enter password. Then you will find an email shortening, a place to shorten email. Just like here, okay? Click Control V, and when you click here, your link is shortened. But remember to use your account. Now, copy this link and you share this link in crowded places where a lot of people would love to watch this live stream. Now, here comes the problem. The website that might send you a lot of traffic to this video and to your link, according to this video, is steampowered.com. So go to steamcommunity.com and sign up as a user, and then go to community and go to discussions. All right, now you'll see a lot of people are discussing streams, games, hardware, operating systems, and a lot of stuff. Find the game or search for discussions of the game you targeted, and you'll find a lot of people talking about those games. And according to this video, all you have to do is to post your link with a little bit of text saying, hey, did you watch this video? This is a cool video about Pokemon, etc. And that's how a lot of people will click and watch your video. Well, it works and it doesn't work, because basically this type of forums or communities are not built for spamming. Because what we are doing here is simply shrinking an URL and sharing with people, sharing in a crowded place or a forum, a serious forum. And these people are not stupid, they're smart. And by looking at your shortened URL, they clearly know your intention, and some, if not a lot of them, will complain about this link, and your link will get deleted and your account will get banned. So what happens? You may get a few or hundreds or thousands of clicks, but once your account is down, your clicks will die. Now, according to this video, again, you should make multiple accounts so you can share your multiple links from multiple accounts. This is pure spamming method, and it's absolutely not acceptable. And this is no way a long-term process of making money online. Again, you will definitely make some money this way. A lot of people are making money this way, but this is not long-term. It will not stay with you. So what is the real way? The real way of getting clicks on your links, making money online, is the place who wants you to share links. Like Pinterest. Pinterest allows you to create free account, and they allow you to attach links with images. Example, look at this image. This image you see, the image creator, which is basically a screenshot or something like that, right? It's a Pokemon screenshot or maybe a meme. And this link is attached with this image. So a lot of people on Pinterest see this image and they click on this link and they visit this website. And that is why when we came to check the traffic analytics of this website, we found they have 113,000 monthly visitors, 71% bounce rate, which means 29% people browse multiple pages of this website. It is a pretty popular website. Google understands that, and that's why they send 50% traffic, and 20% traffic comes from social media, and 3/4 social media traffic are from Pinterest. So what should you do now? Use my software link in the description. Build your blog automatically using auto blogging software. It's free. Go get it. Create your auto blog on any topic. And then there is another software. That software will publish your images automatically on Pinterest and Facebook and fetch traffic from Pinterest and Facebook to your blog. Then your blog can contain millions of links if you want, all the shrunk links if you want. And then if you have a blog and the blog has a quality discussion about any topic, that can be shared with forums like this, and thousands of people will visit your blog and they will love you for sharing your blog post. But if you blindly share your shortened link in this kind of forum, your account will get banned, your links will get deleted, maybe your IP will also get banned, so you will not be able to create another account. Look, this Steam community has 150 million visitors per month. They are extremely popular and they know their stuff. They know how to keep their reputation. They will not allow you to spam. Keep this in mind. Use this amazing forum to get real traffic by using the links of your blog. So start working on your blog today. Use my softwares, build your blog. All the links in your blog can be the shortened link from 7r6.com or from any other website. This can be affiliate links, they can be streaming links, whatever links you want. But share valuable stuff in your blog. You can use automation software, not a problem, but that blog can be shared anywhere you want. Get clicks, generate money this way. But if you are more motivated, I recommend you go to Warrior Plus and create a free account, and then go to affiliate section, click offers, and look for an offer called Host Zpresso. Host Zpresso is a hosting server offer that charges only one-time price. This solves a big problem for internet marketing community. This offer is valuable for anyone and everyone. Click here, you will be taken to this page. This is my offer, by the way, and we pay 50% commission for that. And for every single click, you will average make $2.42. But when we promoted it, every time we make $5.53. Did you see that? Dollar per hop? That is earning per click. So we earned $5.53 per click. 31 people out of every 100 visitors buy this offer. And this is how much money we made from our sales. So collect your link from these link settings, copy this affiliate link, then you can shorten your link from here, copy this shortened link and share this link on your blog. Talk about hosting server problems and how Host Zpresso solved this problem by offering a one-time price. This is an amazing offer for the internet marketing community, for everyone who needs a website, everyone who needs a hosting server, and you will make $5.53 per click. Share your blog on Pinterest using my software, share your blog on Facebook, get traffic, and make money in two different ways: from sales on Host Zpresso and from the money generated for the clicks on 7r6.com shortened links. Did you like this video so far? If yes, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button so you get notified when we will upload our next video. Hit the share button, share this video with your friends and family and all your social media contacts so they also learn how to make money the easy way and the right way. And we will see you in the next video.